Hello, Leah Blackfish Finance, just doing a quick whiteboard demonstration today on what an offset account is. So it's a really frequent question we get from people. When I am in a meeting with clients, I do draw it. So I thought I'd do a quick drawing now of the way it works. So what an offset account is, it's an everyday transaction account. So it's your normal savings account where your pay can go into, you've got an ATM card, you can do internet banking, you can do a Visa debit attached to it with most banks. So an offset account means that your savings account has to be with the bank that we do your loan with. And what we do is we attach it to your loan and it becomes what's called an offset account. So it's an everyday transaction account. If you happen to have the right sort of account when we do your home loan, we can just convert that to an offset account. Or we might need to sometimes open a new account with the existing bank. So at the moment, I've got an itchy eye. At the moment, you have got your savings with your current bank. So with that current bank, you would be making interest on that one, but usually you're paying tax on that interest. So even though it is making you a little bit of money, the interest you're making on it is less than what it would be saving you if you had even an offset account. So this is the way it works. So say your loan is worth $400,000, and that's our new loan that we set up. Now, if you had, say, $5,000 worth of savings in your normal account with bank number B, this is bank number A, you would be making interest. So your interest would be getting added on here, but you would be paying tax on it, right? So it's still good to have some savings, but we want your money to work the best way possible for you. So if you actually had your money sitting over here, instead of over here, we link these two accounts, set it up as an offset, which is just a terminology. It doesn't change the way your account's working. The bank say, right, you owe us $400,000. Now, don't forget, home loan interest is calculated every day. So, and then they charge it monthly. So you owe the bank $400,000, but if you've got $5,000 with them, or whatever that amount is, they say you owe us $400,000, you've got $5,000 with us. Today, we're going to charge you interest on $395,000. Now, your repayments don't go down because they're just set on actually getting your home loan paid off in 30 or 25 years or whatever we've negotiated. But what it does do is save you interest for the day, which saves you interest for the month and the year. And that means your home loan's going down quicker, which is good news, because what you're generally paying over here, which is under 4% at the moment, you're probably only making about 2% over here anyway. So it's still a better savings in terms of the interest on your entire finances. But the beauty of the offset account is if you get paid today or tomorrow, and you get paid on different days if you're in a relationship, and even if this jumps up to say $7,000 tomorrow, the bank says, right, you've got $400,000 with us, you've got 7 sitting in there, so tomorrow you get charged interest only on $393,000. Now, it doesn't then matter if your mortgage repayment comes out, or your rent, or any bills, because then say the next day it goes down to $6,000. It doesn't matter because it's daily calculated. So the best way to make your money work for you, have everything coming into this offset account. So you pay any rental income, any mates paying you back some money, you're sitting in your offset account. And then every day when your home loan's calculated, it saves whatever balance you have got in here. Any other questions, let me know. Most banks do offer an offset account. Some do charge an annual fee to get an offset account. Some do charge a monthly fee to get an offset account. Most banks don't do them on fixed rates. Some banks do 100% fixed offset accounts. So there really is a lot of different ways that you can get an offset account, but they're great. If they suit you, they're really good. Every day they're working for you, and you do want your money to work for you because you work hard for it. So have a good day. Hopefully that explains it a little bit more and you can read my scribble. Let me know if you've got any questions.